I'll let you start and then I'll follow once you get to the entrance. Hang on. Walking over rocks and trying to keep the camera steadier. Interesting. Okay. Okay. All right, go on. You go for a ways.
Catch up and go across my ears.
You just go on. I'll catch you going in.
I want to see the sides of it. You see the sides of it?
Oh, I got the sides definitely.
Okay, cool.
This the angle shows you. Just you basically fill in the sides.
Can you see the box yet?
No, I don't see the box yet.
Okay, come on in and see.
Okay, I'm right here. What do you want me to do?
Come right closer to me. Yeah, I guess it's
Okay,
you
all right.
like you're over my shoulder now.
Hang on.
We'll walk closer together. Like.
There's the mine going like that. You want me to go down? Okay, keep going.
Okay, go slowly now.
Okay. Okay. Doing fine. Okay, stop a minute.
Okay.
All right, keep going. Okay, we can see the box now. Okay.
And then I'm going to point to like further on, like.
Okay. Okay, I see down there.
Okay. Okay, let's go to the end of mine, then come back this way.
Okay.
Not be in it. Not be in it.
Okay, I got the video on right now, recording.
Okay, good. What you might want to do is zoom or
Let's
something.
move forward. Move forward slowly, John.
Okay.
Slow down. Okay, I gotta get more of your shoulder. Okay, keep going. Keep going, you're doing fine. Keep going. I'll get right to this thing here and we'll look down the hole. Keep going. Move on. Keep going. Let me get around to see the outside, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now while we're here, let's turn and look down the hole. Go up a little farther. I'm going to go down here. There's the hole, okay? Oh, cool. Cool. Hole coming in. All right, let's go look down the
You want
hole.
to get that? This is soft in here, Mike.
Yeah, it really is. I don't know if I like standing on this thing. All right, go down the hole.
Go down the hole.
No, I mean, show the thing down the hole. Show the thing down the hole. Okay.
You do more?
Yeah, down like that.
Wow.
There's a ladder right over here.
Yeah,
We go down.
we could.
All right, that's good enough.